Hello, 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 Driving Impact Collective. This is Kathleen, your favorite podcast host. Here we go. I said it. So today in this episode, it is a career advice from the one and only B. Scott Taylor. And I want you to listen up because it talks about working, it talks about entrepreneurship, but it talks also about passion. And I do not want to give a spoiler, but I want you to listen up. Enjoy. Welcome to Driving Impact. Before I get started, I have an ask. We've had 95,000 downloads in the past 30 days, but only 3% of you follow us, which would help grow our community of growth-oriented, kindred souls who are eager to drive impact in their life and their career. So give us a follow on Spotify, Apple, or any platform that you use to listen to your podcast. My personal mission is to be able to bring the light that people need the light in this world, and I'm putting my 20-year career at your service, so thank you.
The earlier you find a passion that you can make money at, that's what most people will tell you. I didn't know what my passion was going to be. And so I worked hard at learning business. So selling copy machines was not sexy and glamorous. I didn't like it. I didn't like people yelling at me, but I kind of looked at it similar to the way people look at working out. I'm going to have to do things that are going to make me uncomfortable, but I'm going to look better, hopefully. Not in my case, but most people that work out, you're going to get that six pack. You're going to show up at the beach. It's going to be all worth it. And some of the things that you're going to have to understand about business is how does it operate? What are the verticals that are out there right now that are making money? Can I be a good worker first?
So your tip number one is be a good worker?
Be a good worker. Don't think that you have to find your passion right away.
Because your passion was stunt.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know my passion. My passion was like making people laugh and then, random, ridiculous things that made no sense. But what you're told is find your passion. When you find your passion, do something you love and then you won't quit. Yeah, that's great. Eventually you might find that. And I think I did, but be a good worker first. Show up on time.
Be a good worker, show up on time.
Train yourself to be uncomfortable doing something that you might not necessarily like, because you're going to have to understand how to develop those skills no matter what you do, even if it's something that you pursue that's passionate. First building block would be do something that you're not comfortable with, but that's going to teach you things that you'll need later on in life, no matter what.
Yeah, like discipline. Welcome to Driving Impact.